Welcome to InciTrak, your one-stop solution for managing workplace health and safety incidents all in one secure platform. Let's start with the homepage. Here, you get a comprehensive summary of all recorded incidents right at your fingertips. Quickly filter incidents based on criteria like department, severity, category, or investigation status so you can focus only on what matters most. On the top of the homepage, you'll find helpful insights such as the most common incident types, frequently affected site areas, and trends in accident versus near-miss cases, helping your team stay proactive, not reactive. If you're short on time or still gathering details, no worries. You can save a report as a draft and return to it later. When reporting a new incident, InciTrak provides tailored forms depending on the incident type, like accident, near miss, or first aid. For instance, if it's a major accident, simply use the accident form. Capture key details like the location and time of the incident, severity and type of injury, whether first aid was required, and if the injured person's family needs to be notified. InciTrak includes a unique body map selector, a visual interactive tool designed to help you pinpoint exactly where the injury occurred on the body. This not only makes it easier for users to provide accurate information, but also enhances the clarity of the report for investigation teams and medical personnel. By standardizing how injuries are recorded, the body map ensures greater consistency across reports and reduces the chance of miscommunication. To begin the investigation process, you can assign the case to your investigation team and add witness details for follow-up. Attach supporting documents, images, or evidence directly to the form to create a complete and verifiable record. Mistakes happen, and InciTrak makes it easy to correct them. If you have admin access, you can edit submissions, add comments to keep all stakeholders informed, or even delete records when necessary. And the best part? InciTrak works seamlessly within your everyday Microsoft ecosystem, including Teams, SharePoint, and Power Platform, so your teams can report, track, and manage incidents without ever leaving the tools they already use. Contact Synapse today to access your free trial and start accurately tracking and reporting incidents.